Good evening and welcome to Trending Tonight, the only show on primetime Indian television where we care to explain the news behind the trend. I'm Sanket Upadhyay. Two stories that we are tracking. Story number one, you would see the story being discussed across all television stations, but there is always a non-tabloid way of looking at an important story. And this is one story which is getting drowned in all the rhetoric. There is a state versus state, investigation versus investigation war that has broken out. Mumbai police is following the nepotism leads, whereas Bihar police is following a financial cheating angle. You've got two police agencies, multiple agencies probing this case, and we still do not have the real picture. And the number of unknowns are increasing in the sad death of the star. So is the CBI probe the only answer? The Maharashtra Home Minister says, no, we're going to carry on with our probe. But why has the Maharashtra government not registered an FIR so far? Why is the investigation still preliminary? Let me first explain to you in great detail what exactly is happening in terms of investigation. Legal aspects and investigation, the two most important aspects to understand this story. So, as far as Maharashtra is concerned, you need to know that no FIR has been registered in this case so far in the state of Maharashtra where this incident has happened. The death has happened. Number two, an accidental death probe is on as of this moment, which if you were in Delhi police, it will be called inquest proceedings. So this is not technically an FIR, but a pre-FIR stage where some investigation is going on and people are being examined. The Mumbai police has questioned over 40 people so far. Sushant's staff, friends, Dharma Productions CEO, Bollywood bigwigs, all have been examined. This is the official word that is used. Not probed, not cross-questioned, examined. Politely asked a few questions. In the meanwhile, a parallel and separate probe is going on in Bihar. A criminal case has been filed against Sushant Singh Rajput's friend Rhea Chakravarti and the family. Now, what are the options ahead for the Bihar police? In fact, let's quickly go back to the previous graphic on what the Bihar government has done. Sushant's father has filed the complaint. Let's go back to the previous graphic. So, as far as Bihar is concerned, Sushant's father is the complainant. The statement of the father, sister, domestic staff of Sushant have all been recorded. We'll come back to that in just a short moment. An abetment to suicide and illegal confinement charges have been pressed against Rhea as well as her family. Now, the investigation conundrum. So that's the graphic that we are now showing you. Sorry for the delay. That's the detail as far as Bihar's investigation is concerned. We'll let this play out before we move to the next set. So Sushant's father has filed the complaint. Statement of father, sister, domestic staff have all in fact been recorded by the Bihar police, not Maharashtra police. Abetment to suicide, illegal confinement and are the main charges against Rhea and the family. Now, for the very crucial investigation conundrum. What is the problem? Now, let's take a look at the options that the Bihar police has. Since Mumbai police has not registered an FIR, their parallel probe continues in this case. That means the Bihar police can go on with their investigation. Bihar police parallel probe is based on the concept of a zero FIR. When an incident, what is a zero FIR? Let's understand. A zero FIR is actually an FIR which is lodged in an area which is not under the jurisdiction of the area where the crime has happened. So here the scene of the incident is Mumbai, but an FIR has been registered in Bihar. So technically it will be called a zero FIR because it's not in Bihar police's jurisdiction to carry out an independent investigation. So the option for the Bihar police is where they say that we have requested Mumbai police for their cooperation, register an FIR, merge this in your case and carry out with the probe, or there is an option where given the multi-agency nature of the probe, Bihar can actually demand a CBI investigation which Chirag Paswan demanded on our show. Options for the Maharashtra police: take cognizance of the Patna police FIR and start a criminal investigation. So far, they have not done this. Second, continue with their accidental death probe and wait for a final report, which is going to be a lengthy procedure. And third, recommend a CBI probe, which as of this moment, they have rejected. Let me now introduce our two guests this evening. I've got Vikas Singh, advisor to Sushant's family, and Karuna Nandi, advocate of the Supreme Court. Karuna, let me welcome you on this show. You've heard this latest twist where the Bihar government has also, or the Bihar police has also registered an FIR. Obviously, the family wanted an FIR registered, and they have. Where do you think this case is going? I mean, do you think that the investigation as of this moment, 45 days after the incident, is fair and on the right track?
I think with such deaths, sometimes it's very difficult to bring yourself together to file an FIR, even if you feel that it is valid. So I don't think the delay is really a problem here. But I think that the law has perhaps been misunderstood in terms of abetment to suicide. So I don't know if you've read the FIR, but the FIR basically alleges that that Mr. Rajput's friend had defrauded him of lots of money, that had made him believe that he had a mental illness, and that got various doctors to collude in believing that he had a mental illness, and ultimately then broken up with him, and this is what led him to suicide. So on the facts of the case itself, the abetment to suicide is not even made out. So this is very important to note, because the law, as the Supreme Court has held in a large number of judgments, is really clear that what is required is a direct act, that it has to be an act, it can't be an omission. And this is important also because the FIR claims that because she knew that he was in a difficult place and because she didn't take care of him at that time, that this is that she should be held criminally culpable. Towards the end, it says that. And that's not abetment to suicide by any standard. So that offense is not even made out on the face of the FIR. So that's one thing we should be clear about. Okay. Now, with regard to registration of the FIR, the Mumbai police didn't have a chance to register an FIR with regard to the complaint on fraud and, or rather 406 and 420, cheating and criminal breach of trust, because the allegation was not made to them. I mean, there was no such complaint made to them. The complaint was made to the police in Bihar. I think it was in Patna.
But should they do it now?
So they can. She has already, I think, gone to the Supreme Court to ask for the FIRs to basically be consolidated for the Mumbai police to investigate.
And Vikas Singh is also now with us. Vikas, how would you look at this? I mean, you've advised the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. They've filed a case now. Do you think that this is a fit case for a CBI investigation and that can only be the way forward, or at least the Mumbai police acknowledge that there is an FIR in Bihar, take cognizance and start investigating along those grounds?
Well, Sanket, as far as the Mumbai police is concerned, I think now they have no role to play in this matter because they have till date not registered any FIR. And the criminal justice system of our country very clearly, provides that investigation only starts after the registration of an FIR. But this petition by RIA in Supreme Court, apparently, I have not seen the petition as yet. We filed a caveat, so we'll get it probably tomorrow. That petition by RIA to take the matter to the back to the Mumbai police actually, gives the cat out of the box. Tell me something, if RIA has so far been saying that Mumbai police is not doing a proper job and the matter should go to the CBI, for her to now file a petition that this matter should be investigated by the Mumbai police itself clearly, establishes that she has some kind of an assurance from the Mumbai police that no harm will happen
Maharashtra Home Minister
to her,
also saying that I'm not handing it over to the CBI.
Also, yes. So when the Mumbai police was handling the matter and the Maharashtra minister was saying that we will not give it to the CBI, she was saying let it go to the CBI. Now, when the Patna police has registered the case, Mumbai has not registered any case so far. Now she says no, give it back to Mumbai police. If she was really bona fide and if she really had nothing to fear, today in the Supreme Court, she should have asked for a CBI inquiry. Her asking for the matter to be sent back to Mumbai police really shows that it's a fixed match. It's
No,
like,
fixed
you know,
match
those
between-
matches where, you know, which
fixed
over
match
who
between-
will hit a sixer between her and Mumbai Police. Obviously,
Okay.
because she was saying to the CBI, Mumbai Police was saying no need to go to the CBI. Mumbai Police was not examining her. Now tell me, Sanket,
But
if
how
there is
can
a
this be
if
a
there is
fixed
a
match?
death
Because
of
she's
a-
the one-
of suicidal death,
She's the one to have said that I don't trust the Mumbai police. I want a CBI probe. Now you're saying there is a fixed match.
exactly. That's exactly what I'm saying. So she has so far been saying that I don't trust the Mumbai police. Then why is she going to the Supreme Court for getting the matter back to the Mumbai police?
My point
she
is
should
very
have gone
different.
to
My
the
point
Supreme
is
Court
why
for
should
getting
the
the
Mumbai
matter
police
at
not take
best
cognizance
to
of the
transfer
Bihar
from
FIR?
the
Because it will be a weird situation where two different agencies, two different
No,
police
actually,
forces are going to probe simultaneously. I mean, the probe
no,
is not, it's going to be
Sanket,
incoherent.
Sanket, Sanket, the law is very clear. Mumbai police did not have any FIR before them. Mumbai police was just doing a roving and fishing inquiry. They were not doing any investigation. So whatever they have done will not be called part of any investigation, because investigation is very clear under the CRPC. Investigation only starts after the registration of the FIR.
Absolutely.
Now today there is a FIR in Patna. So Mumbai police just needs to hand over whatever it has done in the garb of, you know, inquiry, not investigation.
No,
in
but
the
then how
garb
can
of
that,
inquiry.
you are saying
they just
that
need
the
to hand
Mumbai
over all
police
the
should
papers
hand
to
over the
Patna
investigation
police.
to Bihar police. Can that happen? Because the scene of incident
No,
is Mumbai.
not investigation. Then, Sanket, they never did any investigation. They did an inquiry. So
Okay.
they need to hand over the papers of the inquiry to the Patna police to do the
Karunanandi.
investigation. The investigation will start only now.
Karunanandi,
because
very quickly,
investigation
you've
only
heard what
happens
Vikas
after
Singh
the
had to say.
FIR. And
Yeah.
this is the only FIR today.
Correct. Running out of time. Karunanandi, you've heard what Vikas Singh has to say. He says that there is obviously some sort of a malified intention over here. He's alleging that there is some sort of match fixing that has happened between the Maharashtra government as well as this lady. I want to know that under these circumstances, two things can happen legally. Either there is a consolidated investigation that one of the police forces take over, the Maharashtra police registers an FIR, starts their investigation, not just into the nepotism angle, but even in this financial fraud angle. Or the CBI takes over. But you can't have these parallel probes.
That is absolutely correct. What is the basis on which these various allegations are being made against this young girl? Not that I am saying that she's either innocent or guilty, but what is the basis of the allegation that there's this match fixing,
FIR.
there's a sort of, no, that she's mixed up with the Mumbai police, that she's directing with the, earlier she was saying this, that the Mumbai police should not be involved. Today she is, ignorance of the law is not excuse if you break it, is not an excuse if you break it. And ignorance of the law has no meaning if you make a statement here or there. There are lawyers and, Vikas ji and myself included, who I only do it in matters where I don't feel that there's a moral ground. There is no estoppel against, even in court, arguing one proposition one day and a completely different proposition, say on a tax matter for a different client, right? So a young girl saying that today the CBI should investigate and tomorrow saying that the Mumbai police should investigate.
We should not
has
read
nothing
too much
to do
meaning
with
into.
anything.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
Fair enough. Karuna is saying that
Secondly,
you should
that
not
of
read
course
too
there
much
should be
meaning
one
in
agency
her asking for a
investigating
CBI
it.
probe and
And
then
that should
showing
be the
faith in
Mumbai
the
police.
Mumbai police.
But
I
this
have
is
a
very quickly
one larger question, Karuna and Vikas, very quickly as I'm running out of time. See, abetment to suicide itself is a very difficult charge to prove. And I would like to bring on screen 3 high-profile cases of abetment to suicide, which are still struggling or languishing in court because it's one person's word against the other. Case number 1, Gitika Sharma suicide case with MLA Gopal Kanda as accused. Where is the case? In a lower court. Case number 2, Sunanda Pushkar death case with Shashi Tharoor as accused. Still, post charge sheet, it's stuck. Third, Jia Khan death case with actor Suraj Pancholi as accused after all these years, stuck in a lower court. Karunanandi and Vikas Singh, very quickly, one by one, do you feel that it's extremely difficult to prove these charges?
I think it's not only about the difficulty about proving the charges. I think there are cases in which when a suicide happens, families are upset, people are upset, of course. When a loved one dies, of course people are going to be upset. And a criminal angle is always sought to be established. Very frequently, that though the facts that you even place in the FIR.
While I will agree with that, Karuna, but you can't brush the allegations aside. I mean,
no,
obviously a criminal angle will be established.
You're absolutely right, Sanket.
But see, the family also took its time.
Absolutely.
It's not like they
Correct.
acted immediately in a fit of rage.
Correct. But look at the allegations. What do the allegations say?
Abetment to suicide, financial fraud.
Look at the facts. Look at the facts that there was financial fraud, and then she left him.
Okay.
And she didn't care about the fact that he was depressed.
Okay,
and then
Vikas Singh, very quickly.
That
Vikas
does
Singh,
not,
10
under the
seconds.
law, constitute abetment to suicide.
Okay, Vikas.
Sanket, I don't know whether Karuna is holding a brief for Ria, but I must tell you one thing.
I'm not holding
This
a brief
is a
for
case
anybody
where-
at all.
Okay. Just the answer.
Involved in this matter, I'm purely
It's a-
speaking as a
just the
lawyer.
answer.
Very
please. Yeah.
systematic. Karuna, I didn't interrupt you. What I'm trying to say is that it's a very clear-cut case according to me. First, you cut off the family. Don't allow the father talk to the son. So that counseling is not there. His mother is not there, unfortunately. He lost his mother in 2002. You move into the house, you take him to a psychiatric doctor, say that this house is having ghosts, etc. Take him to another resort.
Okay,
keep
all
him there,
of this
take him
has
to
not been
doctors.
proven.
Then you bring him back to the house, Sanket, change all the servants, change the bodyguard. And then, you
And
leave him
who is going
suddenly
to
and
prove
don't
all
tell
of
the
this
family what
by
treatment
way
he
of
was
an
undergoing.
investigation? One of the police forces, right? So that is why you need a composite investigation, a
Only
comprehensive
Patna, because
investigation,
that's the
which
only
either the Mumbai
place where
police
FIR
does
is registered.
or the
Happened in
CBI does.
Patna.
As simple as that.
Yes.
Vikas Singh and
No,
Karuna
only
Nandi.
Patna. Mumbai will not do it. Mumbai doesn't have an FIR.
Okay, so this dispute,
Mumbai
legal
doesn't have an
dispute
FIR, so it
and
has to be
Why
only
she got
Patna.
and
transferred
probe
to the Supreme
dispute.
Court.
That's why I said this has become a probe khichdi. And this is something that needs to be discussed and not some tabloidish discussion. Thank you very much, Vikas Singh, as well as Karuna Nandi.